I thought I was broken. I thought there was no definition for somebody like me. I'm a bored housewife, or I'm flaky, all these things that I kept telling myself that they just weren't true. I mean, how many times do you look at somebody and you think, I wish I could be like them? You know, I wish I had it together the way they have it together. I wish I could be in that career the way they're doing it. I wish I could be brave enough, strong enough, smart enough, creative enough, whatever, enough to do what they're doing. And I stopped doing things the way everybody else said I should do them. The sailing was clear.
I was very touched by Raylene's very personal Survive to Thrive story. It was authentic, it was real, it was vulnerable.
Guilt is one of the most, in my opinion, selfish emotions there are. Because guilt only serves you. Guilt doesn't serve anybody else. Avoiding things leads to guilt and it leads to shame. Who has time for shame? Who? Nobody has time for that.
Raylene is just able to create a very safe space where everyone's on the same page, and it creates a really beautiful foundation for stepping up.
There's a lot of people in here. To answer yes to that question is going to dramatically change the next chapter of their life.
Raylene is a beautiful example of someone who's able to live authentically, to share where she's at, and in doing so, she's able to lift others up as well.
What do you need? Not what do you want, not what do you hope for. What do you need in your heart, in your soul, in your life, in your whatever, in your business, in your relationship? What do you need?
Amazing event. I've definitely come back to the next one.